Today on the Roadhouse, we're going to install the PPE Extra 1 quart oil filter. Let's get this video started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing in Ozark and Branson, Missouri. They'll tow anything from Springfield all the way down to Harrison, Arkansas. Speedy's Industrial Coatings. They do media blasting, powder coating, all sorts of stuff. Big or small, they do it all at Speedy's in Ozark, Missouri. Forbes Tire in Paragould, Arkansas. They'll take care of big tires, small tires, any tires you need. Tractor tires, anything you need, call Forbes Tire. And JS Off-Road Addict. They do passenger cars, trucks, Jeeps, buggies, UTVs, ATVs, small engines. They'll do anything you got. They're doing my LS swap, doing all sorts of custom stuff to my Jeep. Upgrades, recoveries. If you're at S'more and you're breakdown out there, give them a call, JS Off-Road Addict. And one more thing, if you're heading out to S'more next year from March all the way out to Thanksgiving of 2024, give JS Off-Road a call if you need to rent anything to drive out there on the park. They've got Jeeps and side-by-sides to rent for S'more. Our 5-micron filtration system here, and it's going to help us hold an extra quart. So also along the gasket and the threads, put the oil on it. All right, here it is up here underneath the driver's side firewall. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this off without a tool here. I think this is the first time this tool's ever worked. Now that I said that. It's a CarQuest one that's on here. Now I'm going to let this drain. I'm also going to clean up around it. Now I'm also going to put that new oil on the threads here as well, just 'cause. It's all in there. No adapters needed. Good to go. Extra quart. 11 quarts of oil now. Now to go ahead and fill it with 11 quarts of oil. Do you have this oil filter? How many miles extra do you drive on your oil changes? I think I'm going to run about extra 2,000 miles or so. I'm really not going to get crazy with it, but I do like the fact that I have an extra quart. So I'm running 11 quarts in my Duramax diesel engine. So how many quarts have you run? How do you like it? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you all for watching, liking, subscribing. Comment down below, like I said. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.